Today we'll be starting leveling survey. So basically, what is leveling? Leveling is an art of determining the height or depth of any point on the ground surface. So if it is the natural ground surface, so there are various points. There are infinite points. So if we need to find the height or difference in height between these points or the depth of any point with respect to a reference line, then that method or that art of finding the heights or depth of various points on the surface of earth is going to be called leveling. Now, how we are going to determine the height or depth of any point? So for that we need a reference line, and that reference line is called datum. If the points are above the reference line, then this elevation will be called height, and if the points are below the reference line, then it is going to be called depth. Okay, and this reference line with respect to which we are measuring the height or depth of the various points is called datum. This reference line is called datum. Okay, it is called datum, and the reference line usually used to measure the elevation of different points is the mean sea level. That is the main datum we use. Mean sea level. Mean sea level is nothing but the average height of the tides of the sea. Okay, the average height of the tides of the sea. So this mean sea level is taken as the reference line or datum with respect to which we measure the heights or elevation of different points on the surface of the earth. Okay, now suppose we already have a point on the ground surface. We already have a point on the ground surface which elevation is known to us from the mean sea level. Suppose this is 100 meters. So the height of this point is known to us. Suppose point A, whatever. Suppose this height of the point A is known to us from the mean sea level or the datum. Suppose this height is 100 meters. Then this point is going to be called benchmark. This point is going to be called benchmark because it's a point of known elevation from the datum. So any point of known elevation from the datum is called benchmark. So with respect to this benchmark, we can find the height or elevation of these different points on the ground surface. Suppose P, Q, R, S. We are going to find the height or elevation of these different points with respect to this benchmark. Okay, and when we find out the heights or elevation of these points, suppose this was 100, suppose this was 99, suppose this is 99.1, and this is suppose 98, suppose this is 98.2 meters. So the when we find out the heights or elevation of these different points with respect to this benchmark, and the heights are of course will be measured from the datum. So when we use this benchmark to find out the heights of these respective points from the datum, then these particular heights will be called reduced level or RL. In short form, we also call the benchmark as BM. Okay, so any point of known elevation from the datum is called benchmark, and when we find out the elevation or height of the different points using this benchmark, then the level or height or the elevation of these points are called reduced level. Okay.